Southpaw boxer, of course. Blue. Oh, lovely.
Sa naunang video ay natalakay natin ang boxer na tumalo kay Naoya Inoue ng 2 beses noon. Sa video natin ngayon ay pag-usapan naman natin ang huling boxer na tumalo sa tinaguriang The Monster. April 12, 2012 sa Astana, Kazakhstan, nagkaharap sina Naoya Inoue at ang pambato ng bansang Kazakhstan na si Berzhan Zakipov para sa 3 rounds na bakbakan na para sa Asian Olympic Qualifying Tournament Finals. May record itong si Inoue na 14 wins with 4 losses, habang si Zakipov naman ay may record na 25 wins with 10 defeats, 27 at southpaw itong tubong Kazakhstan, habang 18 at orthodox naman itong si Inoue. Sa mismong araw ng laban nila ay napakatinding bakbakan ang nasaksihan ng mga tagahanga ng dalawa. Unang round, walang humpay na palitan agad ang pinamalas nila. Makikitang mas agresibo dito si Zakipov at mas accurate ang mga patama kumpara sa mas magalaw na batang The Monster.
Very experienced boxer and wants to get on with it nice and early here. Good exchanges from both in the early rounds, but point scoring blows from the Kazakh. Zakipov in red. Every point score. He knows that. 1-2. The arms or the shoulders is not a target or a point scoring position. It needs to be a clear blow to the head or to the body. But fast work. Caution by the referee. Hit behind the neck. Orthodox boxer and the blue Southpaw boxer, of course. Both boxers very aroused in the first early exchanges, but now settling into the rhythm of their work. Oh yes, good left hand from Zakipov there. It's the national cheer from the crowd. It's fair to say every point score, a huge cheer, not all of those connecting. Defending well there, the Kazakh boxer. Likes to play a few hand games, the Japanese. In blue. Oh, lovely. Good work from Zakipov, mixing it up nicely. At the end of the and there is the confirmation. Good start for the host nation and a good start for Berzhan Zakipov, taking the early lead.
Round 2, ganun pa rin ang naging takbo ng bakbakan. Mas nakakatama pa rin ng solido itong si Zakipov. Pero itong si Inoue naman ay di nagpapahuli, umaabante at pumapalag din sa suntukan.
Once that spark, look at these combinations coming in now. You can sense that the Japanese boxer is hurt. That's a great. Searching with that right jab, good left hook there to the body from Zakipov. Oh, a nice counter punch though from the young Japanese boxer. Nearly put a point on the board there, saw the head get pushed back. Right and left from the southpaw. Counter attack from the Japanese boxer just into the gloves. A of the Kazakh wearing red. Nice footwork from Jakipov to move himself out of the corner. Firing in those punches. It's a good work rate from Naoya Inoue of Japan. But the guard is working well for Jakipov. And that's the skill of this Kazakh boxer. Defending, scoring. Trying his best to work well with that left hook to the body. Working well with the uppercut again, Inoue. Got to give this teenager credit. He's tried absolutely everything in his repertoire to try and break that defense of Jakipov. Well, at 18 years of age, this young Japanese boxer will be around for Rio de Janeiro, never mind London 2012. There's the bell. Second round. Let's take a look in slow motion. From our perspective here ringside, it didn't look as many of those punches were going through, but you can clearly see that there's no problem there. Great work with the hook and the left hand from
Sa huling round ng laban, tuloy pa rin ang palitan. Mas tinatamaan pa rin ng mga solido itong si Inoue. Tila di makakita ng paraan kung paano tamaan ng solido itong southpaw at agresibong kalaban.
Right on the target. Jakipov, another good work with the jab. Just needs to be careful, Jakipov, looking a little perturbed after drawing that second round. One place, and there's another combination hitting the target for Jakipov. It's going to be warned just for pulling the head down a little. Cautioned, I should say. Jakipov happy to go with the infighting here. Again, the left hits the target. Right over the top. From Jakipov, just when he needed it. Couldn't come at a more poignant time in the bout. Keep that guard up here, 1 minute to go in the third and final round. Here with Box just had Jakipov ahead, but this young Japanese has taken an awful lot of punches from Jakipov. He's still working away. Working well with that uppercut. Well, that left hand from the southpaw in red has been effective, but he needs a few more just to be sure here. 25 seconds on the clock. Good in work from both boxers. There's a good strike from Inoue. Still going at it. This young of age took the national championships last year. That earned him his place in the Japanese squad for these Olympic qualifying competition, and that's it. What a great bout, what a great start. First of 9.
Panalo si Jakipov sa bakbakan, nakuha ang gintong medalya at nakapasok para sa 2012 London Olympics, habang second placer lang si Naoya. Sa laban nila ay makikitang di umubra ang bilis at dami ng suntok na binato ni Naoya kontra sa southpaw. Agresibo at may accurate na mga patama na kalaban. Kaya kung sa puntusan lang ay dihado talaga ang The Monster ng Japan. Pero sa kasalukuyan, sobrang laki na ng improvement ni Naoya kumpara noong amateur pa siya. Kayang lapain kahit sinong kalaban. kaya tinagurian siyang The Monster ng Japan. 3-division world champion na, unified bantamweight champion at nasa listahan pa ng top pound for pound sa larong palakasan. Habang itong si Berzan Zakipov ay hindi nagtuloy sa professional boxing, huling laban niya bilang amateur boxer ay noong August 10, 2016 at nagtapos ang kanyang karera na may kartadang 49 wins, 16 losses with 1 knockout. Ano ang masasabi ninyo sa video ito? Ang inyong komento, suggestion at reaction ay welcome na welcome sa baba.
Zoirov of Uzbekistan and Tajikistan, the young Japanese boxer Inoue.
Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping permi.